Welcome to EcoOil's tutorial, how to make a marketing plan for your business. Part 1. First step is to analyze the market you are in and the competitors. Market research relies on the SWOT analysis. It will help you determine where your business fits within the market and your unique selling point. The same analysis must be done for your competitors in your sector. This is important so that you know who you will be marketing against. Address the following questions. Strengths. What are your advantages? Weaknesses. What could be done better? Opportunities. Are there any new trends or upcoming events that are relevant to your products? Threats. Are there external factors such as new government regulations, declining customer interest, or industry shifts that are threats to success? Next step is finding your target group. You can start by looking at your competitor's website and social media to understand what type of people they are addressing to. Family, friends, or even locals are also a good start for an informational group. Address the following questions. Age. Do your products address the needs of people of a certain age? Location. Are your target customers within a specific country or region or only locals? Spending power. What is the customer prepared to pay? Are they seeking out a healthier or more organic way of living, or could money be an issue when deciding whether to purchase? Stage of life. Can you identify your target customers based on their stage of life, such as new parents, college students, or retirees? Lifestyle. Can you group them based on certain hobbies, career paths, or other lifestyle interests? It would be very positive if you renew your research as your business expands and thrives. Think about your main business goals. Set specific, measurable, achievable, and time-related goals. This will help you to increase your chances of success in achieving them. Include marketing goals such as increase website and social media interaction, establish brand awareness, etc. Then break it down into small steps by month, quarter, or year depending on your time frame. This will help you create a clear timeline and specify your marketing budget for these goals. In the next part of our tutorial, we will discuss how to pick the options that will give you the best value while still reaching your target customers.